Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create an opportunity here in Salesforce. So let's begin. Now the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time at Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating an opportunity in Salesforce is a straightforward process. Opportunities represent potential sales deals and are essential for tracking sales progress and forecasting revenue. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the app launcher beside the setup, and from here, click on Sales. You would be forwarded here in the user interface wherein all you have to do is click the opportunities and click the new button or new option. You see that there's going to be a new button here, or click on the new opportunity, whichever you want. All right, click new opportunity, wait for it. Now you need to search the account name. If you can't find one, all you have to do is maybe create a new account, or in this case I'm going to be using the global media sample. You can put in the opportunity name, all right? Amount, for example, that's going to be 69. Close date is going to be, I don't know. You can put anything here. Stages of probably like qualification. Description is this. Type is maybe a new business. Lead source is non-advertisement. Search campaigns, adding contacts. And once you've done that, all you have to do is basically click on Save and New if you wanted to add more opportunities here. Remember that opportunities are assigned to specific sample reps, allowing managers or account specialists to measure individual performance and accountabilities. Now, opportunities can help set and track sales targets, enabling teams to align their efforts with organizational goals. I always believe that opportunities facilitate a structured sales process, guiding sales through each step from a lead qualification to closing the deal. It is a common practice that enhances sales effectiveness, improves customer relationships, and supports strategic business decisions. And by managing opportunities, organizations like what I have right now can drive revenue growth and achieve their sales goals. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.